let's talk about upgrades and armor, specifically rock sliders and rock skins for the Jeep Gladiator. This is my 2020 launch edition. These are the stock Rubicon rock sliders. Really awesome that these come from the factory from Jeep. No problems with these except too long. I'm running a minus 44 offset wheel, and you can see the rock sliders go all the way up here past the fender, past the body panel even. And that's just too far up. Now you could just weld these, cut these down. You can see it has the cap on there. And this is a full crank wheel. You know, I haven't had much issues. There has been some rubbing. That will affect performance if you're doing high-speed sand skids and whatever else. When you hit the bumps, sometimes you might get some rubbing. So I wanted to do a before and after comparison of the Rubicon stock rock sliders and the new DV8 rock sliders and rock skins that I'm going to be adding. And my good friends at Offroad Warehouse are going to be hooking that up. So make sure you check them out. Check out DV8 for the parts and check out Offroad Warehouse. Here are those upgrades installed, the DV8 rock skins and rock sliders. The good people at ORW Offroad Warehouse in San Diego did the installation, and I could not be happier with the look. So you can see what a great improvement on the design. The beauty of these is that if there's any damage, you have a 5mm hex port here, and these panels can all be replaced. The rock skins, these are 3mm. Now I was hoping that these would be similar or same to the bolts used to remove the top and doors, the toolkit that the Jeep comes with. But this is a 3mm hex. These are 5mm hex screws, so they're a little bit different. But again, you can see, wow, what a difference for clearance here for the tire. So a big difference, and you're still getting all the protection of the body panels here. So, and it angles in, nice angle there. And right now, these are the stock Rubicon fenders. I'm gonna be upgrading the fender liners and the fenders next. But you can see the look here of the DV8 rock skins and sliders. So let's get a closer look here at the back. And again, the back really didn't have any issues for clearance, but you're still getting the protection and a much more sleek design. It's got the nice angle in here, so you can see how that works. Yeah, I love these DV8 products, and I'm very happy to get these installed. And here's a full side profile shot, so you can see just a great design for these rock skins and rock sliders. I think they look great, really improved the look, overall look of it. And so yeah, the fender liners is next on the list, so stay tuned. Gladiator 4x4 beast off-road. And until next time, I'll see you on the trail.